Samsung Galaxy A22 5G review. Very forgettable. Is support to penalty? Plenty of 5G bands. Reason enough. This is the Galaxy 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC. It runs one UI code based on Android 11. It has a 500 mAh battery and 15-watt fast charging support. The Galaxy A22 5G launched in India around July this year, but with a lot of high-profile smartphone launches leading up to the festive season, it has slipped under the radar until now. Samsung has been making a big noise about how the Galaxy A22 5G supports a wide array of 5G bands, as well as its other features such as high refresh rate display and 2 years of OS updates. There's a lot of competition at around the 20,000 price point, some from Samsung's own stable plus recent heavy hitters such as Motorola Edge Fusion and IQ Z3. Is the Samsung Galaxy A22 5G worth the money? Samsung Galaxy A22 5G price in India and variants. The A22 5G is available in two variants, one with 6GB of RAM priced at almost 20,000 and the other with 8GB of RAM priced at 22,000. Both of these have 128GB of internal storage, which is expandable thanks to the dedicated micro SD card slot. The Samsung A22 5G is available in violet, mint and grey. Samsung sent me a mint color unit with 6GB RAM for this review. Samsung Galaxy A22 design. The design of Samsung Galaxy A22 feels a bit dated and boring. Don't get me wrong, the fit and finish of plastic is very good and this mint trim is somewhere unique. However, as soon as you turn on the display, you will see where Samsung has cut cost. First off, there's a thick black bezel around the dewdrop notch and a massive chin at the bottom, which makes the front of this phone look very dated and low budget. The design of the camera bump resembles that of Samsung F series, which is odd since I would have expected the more modern thing that we saw on Galaxy A72 and A52. The Samsung Galaxy A22 isn't particularly slim, but its curved edges help mask this. It's a bit heavy at 203 grams, but the weight is distributed well. A headphone jack, USB Type-C port and the speaker all are lined up at the bottom. There is a recessed power button on the right side which has fingerprint sensor built in. On the front, Samsung has fitted large 6.6-inch LED panel which had a full HD plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. The quality of the display is fairly average, viewing angles are narrow and colors are not very punchy. The same tray is to the left of the display and we can house 2 nano SIMs plus a micro SD card. The Samsung Galaxy A22 5G ships with a 15-watt fast charger, USB cable and a SIM eject tool.